Adjust the error. Navigating mistakes in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase often heard in academic and professional settings: adjust the error. Understanding this phrase not only enhances your language skills but also equips you with a practical approach to handling mistakes. Let's unfold the layers of this phrase together and discover its significance in learning and improvement. Adjust the error might sound technical, but its essence is quite straightforward. It involves two key actions: identifying a mistake and making corrections. The phrase is often used in contexts where precision is crucial, such as in scientific research, data analysis, or even language learning. By acknowledging the error, we set the stage for improvement and learning. Why is it important to adjust errors? It's simple. Errors are opportunities. Each mistake provides a unique chance to learn and grow. In language learning, for instance, every grammatical error or mispronunciation is a step towards fluency. By embracing our mistakes and committing to adjust them, we embark on a journey of continuous improvement. Adjusting errors is not just a concept but a practical process. Here are some steps to effectively adjust errors in any learning scenario. 1. Identify the error. Recognition is the first step. Understand what the error is and why it's an error. 2. Analyze the cause. Dive deeper to understand the root cause of the mistake. 3. Plan the adjustment. Decide on the best course of action to correct the error. 4. Implement the change. Actively make the necessary adjustments. 5. Review and reflect. After making the change, review the results. Reflect on the learning process and how the adjustment has contributed to improvement. Adjusting errors goes beyond academic or professional settings. It's a mindset that can be applied to everyday life. Whether it's a miscommunication in a conversation or a minor mishap in daily activities, the principle of adjusting the error encourages us to face challenges head-on and turn them into learning experiences. In our journey of constant learning and development, adjust the error is more than just a phrase. It's a proactive approach to turning mistakes into stepping stones for success. Remember, every error adjusted is a step closer to mastery. Keep learning, keep growing, and let your errors be your guide. Until next time, happy learning!